Now, CBS 4 weather with meteorologist Lisette Gonzalez.
Good Thursday morning as we take a view from our Biscayne Bay camera. Downtown Miami, it is looking soggy and cloudy. Yeah, a very wet start to your day. And there's a cloudy view from our Windjam Resort camera, Lauderdale by the Sea. The radar has been active. We've had a line of showers basically moving in from the Atlantic. So we're seeing some scattered showers around parts of Fort Lauderdale, Lauderhill, Sunrise, as well as near Fort Lauderdale Airport if you're catching a flight there. Keep that in mind. Hollywood, Davie, Pembroke Pines, seeing some light to moderate rain. Parts of North Miami, Miami Lakes, as well as Miami Beach and Key Biscayne and downtown Miami, Doral, Sweetwater, seeing some wet weather. And we're also seeing the rain through parts of Palmetto Bay, Cutler Bay, Naranja, Homestead, and Kendall, and across the Upper Keys around Isla Morada and Ocean Reef. The winds are fairly calm or light and variable. Because of that, some of these showers and storms throughout the day will be slow movers, and that could lead to some more localized flooding. And add to the fact that we have the ground is already saturated from yesterday. Upper 70s and low 80s. It's very warm and muggy for us, but really cold for parts of the southern Rockies and the northern plains, into the 30s for Denver, Minneapolis, and unfortunately the wildfires continuing over on the west coast. Hey, today, September 10th, is the official peak, the statistical peak of the hurricane season, which is when we have had the most tropical storms and hurricanes developing over the course of history, and also when conditions are the most optimal for development. There's a whole lot going on, so let's get right to Tropical Storm Paulette, forecast to move northwest and west-northwest and become a hurricane before it moves near over Bermuda. And Tropical Storm Renee, just behind it, has a high potential of becoming a hurricane while it moves west-northwest, but it'll stay out in the open waters of the Atlantic. So neither of those a threat to us. There is a trough of low pressure that is just to the southeast of North Carolina that has a low potential of development, and then we have a disturbance east of the Bahamas that has a low potential of development, and it is going to drift westward, be over us likely tomorrow, but then once it gets into the eastern Gulf, that's when it has a 20% chance of development. And then a wave expected to emerge off the coast of Africa today has a high potential of development, and yet another wave expected to emerge off the coast of Africa this weekend has a low potential of development. So of course we will keep you updated. For today, more storms as we're already seeing, especially for the first half of the day, heavy at times and temperatures in the upper 80s. If you're boating, heads up, could see some water spouts. So with these storms around, just keep that in mind. And a big game tonight, of course, I'm wearing orange because I'm all about the U, and it's a season opener for the Miami Hurricanes taking on the UAB Blazers. That's at 8 p.m. at Hard Rock Stadium. And yes, it'll be warm and humid. I'm thinking that by the time we get into the evening hours, we'll be quieting down, and if anything, there might be a few stray showers with the low 80s. So again, it's looking okay by this evening, as a lot of the action will start to move west by that time, hopefully. The next few days, though, we remain unsettled. A lot of moisture will keep the rain chance high, and we'll see the chance for passing storms, a mix of sun and storms by Sunday, and then it looks like more sunshine by early next week.